In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add URL of YT channel in Whop. We're going to connect your YouTube channel to your Whop profile so your audience can find you easily, and Whop can verify the channel is really yours. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips along the way to keep things smooth. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Whop. In the results, click the official Whop website. Once you're on the home page, sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip straight to your profile. Head to your profile. You'll usually find it by clicking your avatar or username in the top right corner. On your profile page, look for the small three-dot icon, often called the ellipsis. Click it and choose Edit Profile to open your profile settings. Scroll down until you find the Social Links section. This is where you can connect different platforms. Click on the YouTube option to add your channel link. When prompted, paste your YouTube channel URL and click Add. Make sure you're using your channel's URL, not a video link. It can be in the format youtube.com, your handle, or youtube.com/channel, followed by your channel ID. After you add the link, Whop will provide a unique verification code. Keep that code handy. Now switch over to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, go to Customization, and then open the Basic Info section. If you're using the channel page instead, you might see an About tab. The idea is the same. You're going to place the verification code in your channel description so Whop can confirm ownership. Paste the code into your channel description exactly as provided, without changing any characters. Then click Publish to save your changes. It's important to actually publish. Saving a draft won't make the code visible to Whop. Return to Whop and click Verify. The platform will scan your channel description for the code. This may take a moment. If verification succeeds, you'll see a confirmation, and your YouTube link will be connected to your Whop profile. If it doesn't verify right away, double-check that the code is visible in the public channel description, confirm there are no extra spaces or missing characters, and make sure you clicked Publish. Sometimes waiting a minute and trying Verify again helps. That's it. You opened Whop, went to your profile, edited your social links, added your YouTube channel URL, placed the verification code in your channel description via YouTube Studio, published it, and verified back on Whop. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.